Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on my updated eyebrow routine. If you are interested on seeing how I do this, please keep on watching. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Brow Stylist in deep brown. It is in a format of a pomade and it does come with a small angled brush and a spoolie, which is what I'm using. The first thing I'm going to do is outline the brow shape that I have. I have really full brows, so it's a little bit easier for me to do my eyebrows. All I'm doing is following the shape of my brow with a small amount of product, not using too much. It's better for you to build up than to have too much and not be able to work with it. With a little bit more product, we are going to do the top. We're going to outline the same thing that we did to the bottom, just outline without getting too close to the front. We don't want to work with the front right now, so don't put product in the front. Now I'm starting to fill in the areas where I don't have that much hair with a bit more product, and I'm working with the spoolie to distribute the product all through my brow, since I like my brows to have, in a sense, a more natural look. The front of the brow is the last thing I like to do with whatever product is left over on the brush. I like to do hair-like strokes to the front, and I take the spoolie and I work the product throughout the whole brow. This step is optional, but I like to take this concealer from Maybelline in the color Sand, and I like to clean up my brow. So I start at the bottom, following the same outline that I did when I was starting with the pomade. Taking a little bit of concealer. I don't like to use a lot because I like my brows to look natural. And whatever you do to the bottom, you go ahead and do to the top. So again, try to take your time with this step. Don't rush it. Just go ahead and follow the line, taking your time with the concealer. I would recommend to use a flat brush. This one is from Morphe, but you can use any brand. And all you're going to do is take that same brush, or you can always use your finger, and just soften up the concealer. I don't like my brows from the top to look too cakey, so I like to work the concealer into my skin. Another thing would be to use foundation if you don't want your eyebrows to look so highlighted. Now I'm going to use the clear brow gel from Anastasia, and all I'm doing is brushing my hairs into place. For me, this gives it more of a finished look than leaving it how it is. And that is it, you guys. That is my updated brow routine. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as well as leave me comments on any other videos you would like to see. Thank you. Bye.